777X in the tower. You've heard that they've asked to go back to the Everett Delivery Center. The gist of it is the 777X will not fly today because of the winds.
Taxi back in, shut down, get towed into the stall. We'll walk around and they'll debrief the activities of the day, which, you know, they had a few things going on. Maybe they learned some things from taxiing, any unexpected messages that they cleared up, and they got a good amount of data that was sent down to the telemetry room, and they'll look over that. And then the program leadership will make a decision in conjunction with the engineers and pilots on flight exit.
Not a safe day to fly this airplane for the first time.
Helicopter with you, Roger. Remain east of taxiway Alpha for an Embraer taxi northbound, and I do have one arrival, probably.
Absolutely, this is amazing.
Hello to all of you guys watching on Boeing.com. We are live. Skies are gray today, but today is a lot better conditions than yesterday. The right side and the flight deck yesterday, and Cheney on the left side, same for today. Look at those crowds. It was wet, it was windy, but we still had a great time yesterday.
Absolutely, so we've got a nice shot of the customers, again, 8 world-class customers that have purchased this aircraft so far.
Eventually you can see that those folding wing tips are up right now. Eventually those are going to fold down. And again, another live look down at Haeun Field in Everett, Washington. We are just about half an hour or so north of Seattle in the Pacific Northwest part of the United States. Hello to everybody watching around the globe, VIP, a lot of folks around the globe interested in this today.
Yeah, I'm so excited that people have turned out today as well. Again, unfortunately, yesterday we weren't able to take off, but today is looking a lot more promising as the aircraft continues to taxi down the runway. And the winglets are folding down. Again, part of the 777X is those incredible wingtips that are going to fold up so it can fit in that Code E gate and then be able to fold down and have that full length span during flight, allowing it to have better aerodynamic capability and create that incredible lift that this wing is capable of. So just one of those steps in taking this airplane to take off. Really a revolutionary aircraft. Today is going to be the first day that we see the aircraft and those GE9X engines take flight.
In the flight deck today, in the left seat, we've got Van Cheney, who is our chief 777X pilot. In the right seat, we have Craig Baumann, who is our chief Boeing pilot.
Boeing 09er X-ray, just so...
And we've gotten word, it sounds like the chase planes are almost here and the airplane is moving to the runway. That's a great sight, Emily.
Absolutely a great sign. As you mentioned, just waiting maybe another short while on the chase planes, and then this airplane will take her maiden voyage. Turning out onto the main runway now.
AGL is going to be on the west side of 34 left when you proceed inbound. What altitude were you planning on being at? Helicopter 0 was you. Boeing 09 X-ray, the helicopter will now be on the east side of 34 east side.
And here we go. Takeoff of the Boeing 777X.
Woo! That was so incredibly cool to watch.
Through the clouds and filtered sunshine, the beauty of that airplane shines through.
Absolutely. The building anticipation since yesterday. What a proud moment for all these teams around the world like we just saw, and all the people that came out to be a part of this today.
It feels like it's been raining here for 3 weeks, and the sun has finally come out. What a spectacular takeoff.
It really, really was. I think it's a good sign.
Yeah. So tell us what happens now.
Yeah, so the airplane is going to do its flight today. They're going to try to open up the envelope, as our pilot Ted Grady was talking about yesterday. So they'll spend at least a few hours in the air trying to do some of that, and then they're going to land back at Boeing Field.